In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by locating an app called Files. Then select Clean at the bottom left corner and tap on Clean under Junk Files. When you're ready, select Clear in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my device was already clean, but yours will be successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!